Welcome in daily newspaper editorial side of program. Now headline: More and better the Hindu. The science is clear. Crowd disasters are preventable. Tracy Tracy Heresco Pearl. Now headline in detail: More and better the Hindu. India needs good educational infrastructure in all districts. The Supreme Court of India's ruling that there can be no reservation based on residence in admission to PG medical courses inconsistent with the constitutional mandate of equality before law and law but may adversely affect to priorities and health care requirement of the state. The court has reminded everyone that there is only one but democracy for Indians and that the right to seek admissions anywhere in the country must be open to residents of all states. This is line with a series of verdict on the question there whether there can be admissions based on institutional preference or residential requirements. The view is that institutional preference, that is choosing candidates who had passed out of an institutional for admission to PG courses in the same institutional is constitutionally permissible and that admission to PG medical courses can have a residential requirement primary because the basic medical needs needs of a region can be better addressed by admitting more people from the same background so that doctors emerging from the system would render public service there. However, on the principle that higher qualification broke no compromise with merit, the prevailing view is that PG courses should not be open for any such residential preferences. The need to attract the best talent is higher. The science is clear. Crowd disasters are preventable. Crashes are scientifically well understood, easy to predict, and ineffective to prevent. Tracy Heresco is Williams J. Ellis Professor of Law, University of Bologna, US. This week in India, 30 people were killed in a deadly crowd crush that occurred at the Mahakumbh. This writer's heart goes out to their families and friends. Tragedies such as this one have become far too common across the world at religious pilgrimages, supporting events, and even music concerts. As someone who studies crowd disaster, what makes them even more terrible is that they are almost entirely preventable. Linked on crowd density. Crowd crushes occur when the density of a crowd becomes too high. Scientific studies have repeatedly shown that at crowd densities of 5 persons per square meter, there is a risk of crowd injuries that at 7 people per square or more, the likelihood of death or serious injury is high. Crowd density is strongly influenced by the physical space around the crowd. If, for example, a crowd must navigate or gather in a space that is too small, crowd density can increase to dangerous level rapidly and become deadly. Parliamentary reporting from the Mahakumbh suggested that this is precisely what happened there. A large crowd developed behind a barrier, compressing its members into a dangerous density with tracking consequences for planners and governments to note. So why do these injuries and deaths keep happening after so many high-profile disasters? If you believe many of the news story and commentary that often surround such tragedies, that these crashes are the fault of crowd that are out of control. We are too quick to blame the victims in these scenarios and too eager to use conventional wisdom, stereotypes, and rules of thumbs and substitutes for actual science on organizations and the economic factor. This tragedy at the Mahakumbh, however, should inspire government everywhere to reconsider their hands-off approach to cloud crush and pass sensible laws and regulation requiring event planners, promoters, and venues to take the basic step needed to reduce the risk and individuals at large events. Even a small amount of planning and minimal changes to a venue can almost eliminate to risk that crowd members will be injured, trampled, or squeezed to their death on their feet while still allowing everyone to have a good time. The cost of waiting to make such changes will continue to be measured in human lives. Thank you.